Too much knowledge will confuse you, so stick to the basics, all right? Right here on my chart is what I call the Holy Grail. There is a 4 systematic model approach that you need to pay attention to. Now, okay, this is not YCOP, this is not SMC, this is not liquidity, this is not ICT. This is a simple market order flow strategy, and it's going to make you a profitable trader in the long run. Now, look at this chart very clearly. Tell me what you see. Write in the comment section, anywhere around the comments, just drop what you see. This is actually a falling wedge. All right, this is a falling wedge. And as you can see, price is on a downtrend. If we go to the 1-day time frame, the daily time frame, you're going to see that this particular asset is already falling. It's in a downtrend. So we want to trade alongside this particular dominant trend and catch those big explosive moves. I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly. Now, back to the 1-hour chart. Let's hop in. I'm currently on this trade. Back to the 1-hour chart. If you see this setup, this is a very good indication of a sell. Now, I'll wipe off everything and analyze this critically for you so that this will become the only setup that you trade. And kudos to you, you're going to tell yourself that MJ taught you this, all right? So I'm going to wipe off everything you see here. I'm going to wipe off everything you see here. Now, let me use my arrow tool. Now, this is a low. We made a low somewhere around here. Zoom this. All right, this is a low. Price made a low here and made a high. Made a higher low, made an equal high. And eventually we made a higher high. So now let's see if we actually got a higher high from here. Let's pay attention. All right, we actually did. We got a higher high here and price continued in that fashion. But this is not an explosive uptrend. You can see that price is staggering. This is to tell you that this trend is not strong, it is weak. Therefore, what we see here is not a continuation, but a break of structure. Now, how do we further validate that this is a break of structure and price wants to start falling to come back to this initial low? It's very simple. We're going to wait for a consolidation to occur. Now, a consolidation is going to be like this. Consolidation is going to be like this. We want to see this pattern appearing somewhere around this area. All right, that's to show you that there is what? A sign of weakness, meaning sellers are now what? Dominant and are willing to sell more than buyers are willing to buy. So ultimately, when we start seeing this chart pattern, when we start seeing this consolidation pattern, it simply just means that price wants to what? Reverse to the downside, and this trend wants to continue. I got into this trade from here, and I'm already here. I'm a massive profit already. Now, let's ride along with what we are seeing. So we want to trade this bearish flag that looks like a bearish flag, actually. Let me put this online so I get it accurately. I want to trade this bearish flag. Okay. Amazing. I'm going to trade this bearish flag right now. So let me remove this. I just had to show you so that you believe what we're doing is real. So now, where is this pattern here? Where is this consolidation? Consolidation that takes out liquidity. This is liquidity. Now, in other words, all the sellers that were resting above here, this is liquidity. I'm going to type liquidity right there. This is liquidity because all the sellers that thought this would be a double top or a triple top price will flick out from here, boom, and then take out their stop losses and begin to push further. The moment you see this after a break of structure, just know that price wants to what? Go down. This is a valid setup. All right, there's no argument about this. Just go there and make your money. All right, good, fair enough. Now, where is this setup right here on the chart? It is obviously going to be this. It's obviously going to be this. I've caught it with my eyes. Caught it with my eyes. Now you can see the pressure in which price moves down. This is so interesting. You can see the way price moves down, creating some fair value gaps. All right, this is to show you that there is a significant selling ongoing here. Major selling pressure ongoing here. Unless you see this setup in a falling wedge or in a bearish flag or bearish wedge pattern, whatever you want to call it, it is not yet valid. You must see this pattern. All right. In Wyckoff schematic, this is what we call sign of weakness. You must see liquidity taken out to continue a massive downtrend, meaning a trend wants to continue. So liquidity must be taken out first from a consolidation range. All right, from a consolidation range. Now, once you see this happen, just know that price wants to what? Fall. So we've seen this, and obviously our entry is going to be somewhere around this axis. I got in from exactly this point. I got in here, and I've been able to ride this rally to this point. Now, this same range would eventually form again. Another range will form again, and the cycle continues. All right, the cycle continues. So we're all expecting price to come down to eventually come and take out this low. Now, do you know why price will come back to take out that low? I'm going to explain. Very simple. The reason price will come back to take this low is because this initial what we call internal trend or internal order flow, this internal order flow you see, is not valid because it is weak. Can't you see the way price is staggering to move up? It is very weak. It's a weak move, meaning buyers are not actually what? Active. Buyers are not active at all. So because they are not active, price will definitely fall and come and take out this low here because it is weak. It's a weak low. If this low was strong enough to push price up, then we won't have any reason to come back to take it, to just go up, come back and fill maybe some orders at the other block here. But right here, there's no valid order block at all. There is no valid order block. All you have is a bunch of liquidity pools resting above here. You can see one here. You can see one there. That's one. You can see another one here. There's another pool. So you can see that we have a lot of liquidity pools that needs to be swept. So all these stop losses, all of them taken out completely. So guys, this is the Holy Grail. Now, if you find this video very interesting and you want to sign up for a good detailed mentorship that will guide you into becoming a profitable trader. Now, I don't mean a trader that is seasonally profitable. I mean a continuously profitable trader. The link is going to be in the description of this video on how to get directly into my DM and book a slot for yourself. It's just $25 for 3 weeks. And you're going to get a wrapped and detailed yet concise explanation and mentorship for these things. All right, if you want to learn it properly. All right, I'm going to see you on the inside. I'll see you in the next video. I'll be dropping more setups, obviously, and way to go. All right, one love, peace out. Do have a great time and trade carefully. Don't forget, trade carefully. Don't blow your accounts. Use a good risk management policy, and trust me, trading is going to be fun for you. You just need one strategy, just one strategy, nothing else. Bye for now.